Hi YouTube, Leather Art by Lisa here, and I'm in the shop today doing one of those projects that a customer sent me their bracelet that, look how bad that is. I separated it from the clasp and the little log piece pendant thing, cleaned out all the little crevices and holes, so now it's ready for new cord. Today I'm going to be making a 6-strand kangaroo leather bracelet that's wrapped around a 2mm cord, and I'm going to videotape this so you can learn how to do it. The trick of this braid is making sure we're pulling it tight throughout the whole entire process, and we are doing the crossing in the back. So the left cord crosses underneath the right cord, or the right cord crosses over the left cord. And then on the right side, you go over, under, and then on the left side, you go under the top cord, over the next cord, under the other cord. Pull it tight, and we repeat that process. The right cord goes over the left in the back, and then the right cord top goes over the next and under the next one. And then on the left side, it goes under, over, then under. Pull it tight, cross in the back, right over left. In that new right cord goes over, then under, and the new left cord goes under, then over, then under. Pull it tight. Cross in the back. Right, top right goes over top left in the back. The new top right goes over, then under. And the new top left goes under, and then over, and then under. Pull it tight. Cross in the back. Top right goes over top left. Pull it tight. Right side goes over and then under. Top left now goes under, then over, then under. Pull it tight. Cross in the back. And keep on going. And this is the way it looks after it's braided. It's very rough, and now it needs to be smoothed out. I use one of my kitchen tools to smooth out this leather cord. I think it's called like a Spoodle or something like that. I got a set on Amazon. They're great. I love them. This one is really large. I don't really use it at all for cooking, but it works perfectly for this. And you just keep going back and forth and up and down the cord. And the more you do this, the smoother the cord gets. You can use some saddle soap to help the process. But you can just see the difference already with just a little bit of using this wooden spoodle. You can also use like a piece of wood, or they have different tools too that you can get online that can help with this process as well. Again, the more you do this, the smoother and shinier the leather will get. It really makes a huge difference. And then I usually take a piece of leather and some saddle soap and I just kind of clean it, and then I'll do more of the spoodling. Once it gets the patina that I really like, and the smoothness and the shine that I really like, then it's time to create something beautiful with it. And I like it. I think this looks beautiful. Now it's ready to be strung with that log pendant bead thing. And this is the finished product, which, by the way, I'm told by my customer that they really love this finished piece, more so than they liked the original. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this is helpful. Please post any questions you have in the comments, and I'll see if I can walk you through it and help you. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. I've done other projects like this where a customer sends me a piece that needs to be upcycled or a cord needs to be made for it. If you want to check out that video, then click on the link here. If you liked this video, make sure you like and subscribe. For more DIY leather crafting tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell to be notified when new videos are released. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.